Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties here for your Monday Maui market update on September 17th, 2018. This week I wanted to talk with you a little bit about the difference between a home inspection and an appraisal inspection. In the start of a new escrow, a new transaction, when all the excitement is going, hearts are beating, thinking about moving out, moving furniture and things, it's easy to get all these different inspections confused. So I wanted to pick the big two and talk about the difference between the two of those. So first and foremost, what is a home inspection? This is where you as the buyer hire a licensed home inspector, generally one who is a member of the American Society of Home Inspectors. They have their own standards of practice to go through the house or condo top to bottom, inside and out, and nitpick all the details, figure out everything wrong with it, everything that could be in need of repair, comment on future maintenance issues, tell you how old the hot water heater is, things like that. And then the buyer, you get a full report on the physical condition of the home. So sometimes if a house has specialized systems, then additional inspections are ordered, like a pool, for example. Most, if not all, home inspectors will not also inspect pools, but that's a story for a different day. So a home inspection, condo inspection, that's just looking at the physical aspects of the property. Then when there's a transaction that has a loan involved, financing involved, the buyer's mortgage lender will order an appraisal on the property. The appraisal is to determine that their asset that they're lending on has the same value as the contract price, or have a neutral party determine what the actual value is of that property. So when an appraiser, when they come out to the house or the condo or the piece of land, they're walking around themselves to do a physical inspection, look at every nook and cranny, but then they do their own calculations to make sure that the physical description of the property that they have matches what is existing. So in cash transactions, you typically don't have an appraisal unless that's some sort of special term that the buyer and seller want to add in. Cash transactions, buyer and seller have already agreed on a price. They're happy with it. They are moving forward. But in financing transactions, that's where you also have the appraisal inspection, and the appraiser will then give the bank a report, which they may or may not share with the buyer. So that's a little bit the difference between the two main inspections in a property transaction, the home inspection and the appraisal inspection. Of course, for more detail, definitely give me a call and let me know. Now on to this week's Best Buy. There were some incredible luxury estates just put on the market today, so I thought I would share with you one that I got to preview last week Thursday. So this property address is 65 Willie-O-Kai Way. It's in the gated community of Pu'unoa here in West Maui, on the slopes of the West Maui Mountains just south of Lahaina town. The estate itself is over 5 acres with a 5,800 square foot exquisite home with so many details, some of the tallest ceilings I've ever seen. There's a detached cottage and barn as well, a full pool, and plenty of room in the landscaped grounds for horses, for running around for recreation, and a terrific privacy buffer. So the estate is offered at $8,750,000 and a terrific buy. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Jessica Baker with Coldwell Banker Island Properties for another Monday Maui market update. Give me a ring at 808-250-0840 with any questions, and make sure you tune in next week. Aloha for now.